Machine learning in 2025 isn't just smarter, it's becoming more human. It writes code, it creates images, it even reasons and explains its own decisions. And it's doing all this faster, safer, and with less data than ever before. So, what's changed in machine learning? What breakthroughs are redefining how machines learn? Welcome to the 2025 edition of Machine Learning, where we explore what's new, what's trending, and what's coming next. What is machine learning? Let's start with a quick refresher. Machine learning is the field of artificial intelligence where computers learn patterns from data without being explicitly programmed. In simple terms, instead of teaching a computer step-by-step instructions, we feed it examples, and it figures out the rules on its own. It powers voice assistants, recommendation systems, medical diagnostics, stock predictions, you name it. But in 2025, Milliliter has leveled up. Let's see how. What's new in machine learning in 2025? 1. Foundation models are the new standard. Back in 2020, GPT and similar large models made headlines. Now in 2025, foundation models are the base layer for most Milliliter systems, trained on massive datasets and fine-tuned for specialized tasks. These models can generate text, images, audio, even code, all in one place. We are entering an era of multimodal intelligence, where machines understand the world more like humans do, across many senses. 2. Small models, big impact. While massive models dominate, there's also a shift toward tiny, optimized models. Thanks to breakthroughs in distillation, quantization, and sparse training, we now have efficient Milliliter models that run on edge devices, like your phone, smartwatch, or even a tiny IoT sensor. Powerful AI, without the cloud. 3. Explainable and trustworthy AI. In 2025, we're moving beyond black box models. Explainable machine learning is now mainstream. Milliliter systems are built to show why they made a decision, whether it's recommending a medical treatment or flagging a financial transaction. This is essential for industries like healthcare, law, and banking, where trust and transparency matter more than ever. 4. Continual and self-supervised learning. Machine learning is no longer limited to training in batches. Modern models can learn continuously, adapting to new data without forgetting what they already knew. Self-supervised learning has also taken center stage, allowing models to learn directly from raw data without needing human-labeled datasets. This means faster learning, fewer resources, and better real-world performance. 5. Democratization of Milliliter. Thanks to open-source platforms, no-code tools, and AI as a service, machine learning is now accessible to everyone. From small startups to independent researchers, anyone can build and deploy smart models without deep expertise. AutoML, drag-and-drop tools, and pre-trained models make the entry barrier lower than ever before. 6. Real-time and edge Milliliter applications. In 2025, Milliliter is happening in real time. Video analysis, speech recognition, fraud detection, all processed instantly. Even more impressive, many of these systems now run on the edge, right where the data is collected. No latency, no privacy risks. Think self-driving cars, real-time health monitoring, smart cities, all powered by on-device intelligence. 7. Ethics, bias and AI governance. With power comes responsibility. In 2025, machine learning comes with built-in ethical frameworks. Organizations are now required to audit Milliliter systems for bias, fairness, and compliance. New global laws demand AI transparency, model audit trails, and human-in-the-loop systems for high-risk applications. Where machine learning is headed next? So, where do we go from here? Neurosymbolic AI is emerging, combining the pattern recognition of Milliliter with logical reasoning. Federated learning is gaining traction, letting devices learn collectively without sharing raw data. And most fascinating, emotionally aware AI, models that can detect and adapt to human emotions in real time. The gap between machine logic and human understanding is closing fast. The Milliliter revolution is just beginning. Machine learning in 2025 isn't about teaching machines what to do. It's about teaching them how to learn, responsibly, ethically, and at scale. From smarter assistants to autonomous systems, from personalized education to planetary scale data modeling, machine learning is reshaping every industry on Earth. and you're living through the revolution. So, what excites you most about the future of machine learning? Drop a comment below, and if you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. The future of intelligence is being built right now, and it's learning fast.